Created by John M. Peters and now available from Sound Ideas, the science fiction sound effects library offers a wealth of battle and other spectacular, futuristic sounds. Included are more than 300 sound effects of spacefighter duels, ambience and action sequences, electronic, mechanical, and weapons effects, creatures, and soundscapes. Need more space? Make room for the science fiction sound effects library now from Sound Ideas.